Question number 27. We will say that a rearrangement of the letters of a word has no fixed letters if, when the rearrangement is placed directly below the word, no column has the same letter repeated. We are given an example here. If you look at the word Bharat and you look at a rearrangement of its letters, namely this one, HBRATA, if you observe, the letters are rearranged in such a way that H is going into a different position, B is going to a different position, and so on. No letter is occupying its original position. In other words, in a given column, the letters are different. Such rearrangements are called no fixed letters rearrangements. Now the question is, how many distinguishable rearrangements with no fixed letters does Bharat have? And the two A's are considered identical. So let's look at the word Bharat. The letter A is coming twice. The remaining four are distinct letters. So let's start our counting with the letter A. Now the letter A is in the third position and the fifth position. So the A's should not be in the third or fifth position. So these places shouldn't contain A after rearranging. So the two A's should be put in two of these four places. From four places we can select two places in 4C2 ways. So the A's can be placed in 4C2, which is 6 ways. Now for the remaining letters, let's look at the cases. Case 1. Let us say, without loss of any generality, the two A's chose the places of B and H. So let us say the A's are sitting here. Now let's take another letter, let us say R. If I focus on R, for R there are two cases. R can sit in the place of the A's or R can sit in the place of T. So if R chooses the old place of A's, that can be done in two ways. Let us say R is sitting here. Now T can go in fourth or fifth place. So two places for T. Let us say T is here. Now BH can be arranged in the last two places in 2 factorial ways. So in case 1, we have 8 ways. In case 2, let's say A is taking the places of B and H without loss of generality, that we have already counted here, 4C2. Now again we will focus on R. So the first case was R taking the place of one of the A's. Now the second case is R is taking the place of T. That can be done in one way. Now the remaining three letters B, H, T, they can come in any of these three places in 3 factorial ways, because these three places are of A, R, A. This can be done in 6 ways. So once you fix the two A's, the remaining letters can be placed in 8 plus 6, 14 ways. So the final answer would be number of ways in which A can be arranged, that is 6, into the number of ways in which the remaining letters are arranged, 14, which gives us 84. That's the answer.